Thank you for choosing multiple awnings. For your Athena or Europa Brasilia awning, let's install a solar shade in the front bar. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, some masking tape, and your hand crank. First, remove the two end caps of the front bar. Please note that the gear for the solar shade is always on the right side. To avoid damage to the shade during this procedure, we suggest you put masking tape around the aluminum edge of the front bar. Now carefully insert the rolled-up solar shade inside the front bar. Make sure the bottom shade profile is correctly positioned outside the groove, and the pin with the square rod is on the right side. You can remove the masking tape. Place the new right side end cap on the front bar, being careful to align the square hole of the gear with the square rod on the shade end bearing. Now place the new left side end cap on the front bar. Make sure the pin on the left end cap is inserted in the hole of the end bearing. The gear ring has to be correctly positioned and accessible. Your solar shade is now functional. You can open it using the hand crank. Multiple Awnings wishes you a great summer.